Friends, my name is Umesh Khadke. I am from Mechanical Department, final year student. This is our group members or project is Mr. Sachin Bagre, Mr. Lokesh Panekar, and Mr. Rishabh Sakre. So this is our project model, which is known as fabrication of multipurpose agriculture machine.
While we performing this project, there are 9 course outcomes are mapped. First, CO1, im- implement the planned activity individually and as team. Second, CO second, select, collect and use required information knowledge to solve the identified problem. CO3, take appropriate decision based on collected and analyzed information. CO4, ensure quality in product. CO5, appropriate energy and environment conservation principle. CO6, consider the ethical issue related to the project. CO7, assess the impact of project on society. CO8, communicate effective and confidently as a member and leader of team. CO9, prepare project report and perform due to plagiarism using appropriate tools.
PO mapped up first basic knowledge, second discipline knowledge, and third experiment and practice, and fourth engineering tool, then the engineer and society, the environment and subst- sustainability, and seventh ethics.
In this project, there is main five parts are assembled. First is mainframe, which is this is the mainframe. Second one is grass cutting assembly. Third one is harrowing mechanism. Fourth one is seed sowing mechanism. Fifth one is pesticide mechanism. Construction of machine. This is the mainframe of the machine, which is mounted on the rear wheel of the machine. With the help of shaft and bearing, and this is the inclined surface for engine attachment. After that, this is the handle, which is mounted with the accelerator button and accelerator.
This is the chain sprocket mechanism which is mounted on the left side of the rear wheel. This is the clutch housing which transmits the power to the grass cutter. This is the grass cutting assembly and this is the guard. These are the pesticides mechanism. This is the pesticide box. These two are sprinkler to pesticide the pesticide. This is the seed sowing mechanism which is used for the seed sowing in soil.
एक
Then this is the gearhead which is connected to the engine with the help of shaft and clutch housing, which is used to transferring the power of the engine to the front wheels. And these are the front wheels which is mounted on the shaft of the gearhead with the help of lock pins. Now
For seed sowing operation, the seeder assembly is mounted on the back side of the machine and connected the chain gear of the seeder to the gear of the another gear, which is mounted on the shaft of the rear wheel. Then remove the gear head, then remove the grass cutter mechanism and connect the gear head to the shaft of the clutch housing and front wheel, each attached to the shaft of the gearhead with the help of lock pin. During the seat sewing operation, machine is drive same as the working of the spraying operation. The change in this operation, the seeder attachment is drive by the chain which is connected to the rear wheel and the seeder. Seed are poured into the hopper and adjust the flow flow of the seed by the opening the rack and pinion attachment. Then the seed is collected then the seed is collected by the then the seed is collected to the floated roller from the one side and drop into the hole on the another side. The seeder and then seed is comes into the soil with the help of pipe connected to the bottom of the hole of the seeder, and after seed is comes into the soil are covered by the soil cover.
Pesticide spraying operation. The pesticide box is mounted on the back side of the machine and connected the sprinkle attachment. Then remove the grass cutter mechanism and connected the gearhead to the haft of the clutch housing, and front wheel is attached to the shaft of the gearhead with the help of lock pin. During the operation of pesticide sprinkler, the machine is driven by the front wheel and the power of the engine is given to the front wheel with the help of gearhead and clutch housing. After starting the engine, power is supplied to the front wheel from the engine, and the front wheel gets rotated and also the rear wheel gets rotated by the front wheel. And the pesticide box, after starting the engine, power is supplied to the front wheel. The engine and front wheel get rotates and also the rear wheel get rotates by the front wheel, and the pesticide box is operated by the chain and gear arrangement. The driver gear is attached with the rear wheel and driven gear is mounted on the frame near pesticide box. When the rear wheel is rotated, then the gear are also get rotates and piston is moved in linear direction.
After starting, the engine power is supplied to the front wheel from the engine, and the front wheel gate rotates, and also the rear wheels gets rotates by the front wheel, and the pesticides box is operated by chain and gear arrangement. The driver gear is attached with rear wheel and driven gear is mounted on the frame near the pesticide box. When rear wheel is rotated, then the gear are also get rotates and piston is moved linear direction inside the box. During pesticide spraying, the rotational motion is converted into linear motion and spraying operation will be done.